Hello guys, this is Sugar's Crypto. On this video, we're gonna talk about value investor in Cardano. And how does that apply? You may wonder. Well, there's two things that a value investor reads on a company, and that is the PE ratio and the price to the book value. Now, to understand what's a value investor, you have to look at what is an active investor. An active investor is a daily trader that trades on the company based on chart and analysis of the company's performance. A value investor measures the companies through fundamentals, through balance sheets, through PE ratio, through price to the book value, and determines his decision based on these performance, based on the fundamentals of the company itself. Now you may wonder why you're using a value investor strategy onto a cryptocurrency. How does that apply to Cardano? Well, this is the way I look at it. I want you to leave in the comments below the way you look at it. But the way I look at it is, let's start with PE ratio. The PE ratio to me is the reward, right? So on a company, if you pay $30 PE ratio for the company, you'll get $1 the following year, for an example. So the less you pay, let's say you pay $5 PE ratio on the company, you get $1 at the following year. So the less you pay for the PE ratio, the more rewarded it is. The more you pay for the PE ratio, the less reward you're gonna get. So on to the margin of safety. Now let's look at the price to the book value. So the same thing applies to the price to the book value. The more you pay for the price to the book value, the more riskier is that company for you. The less you pay for the price to the book value, the safer it is. So let's begin with the PE ratio. Let's begin with the rewards with Cardano. Number one, Cardano is 95% low from its all-time high at $1.32 on late 2017, early 2018. It's 95% lower. What does that tell you? That tells you that you're buying at all-time lows. I mean, when Cardano was launched back in 2015, I believe, Cardano was sitting there, it started at 2 cents. We're right now trading at 6 cents right now. We're not far off from the floor, you know? So it cannot go any lower than that. So we're buying at all-time lows. So to me, that's to me, right? So from 95% drop, okay? So you get what I mean. So also, the staking rewards are insane, guys. The staking rewards, that if you participate in the testnet right now, in the incentivized testnet right now, you're getting a lot of high rewards on your ADA. And that's basically what I'm getting. So I'm getting my rewards either way, you know? And if everybody's so bullish about Bitcoin going to 100 grand or anything breaking his all-time high over $20,000, guess what? Cardano, all the cryptos are going to follow through. Of course, they go after Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the power, the god of the cryptocurrency. So all the cryptos follow after. It's been done over and over. So that's the reward. It's going to be rewarded no matter what. I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that, but to me, buying right now, even at 6 cents, is a very low buy. So the rewards are there for us to take. So we're safe right there when it comes to rewards. So now let's move into price to the book value, the margin of safety. How could I feel so safe to invest in Cardano? What makes me feel so safe to invest in Cardano? Well, one thing that makes me safe is that they are launching commits every single month in the GitHub. They're always working on Cardano. They're always making improvements. I mean, and also, Charles Hoskinson has been doing M&As like every two to 3 weeks all the time. And last M&A, he talked about like within 5 days from this video or 4 days from this video, they're gonna launch the hard fork called OBFT, which is basically a seamless hard fork, that would be the bridge for the proof of stake Shelly onto Cardano's mainnet. So they're building bridges to make Cardano decentralized, guys. And that's coming up very soon. Like maybe 3 days from this video or 4 days from this video, we're close for that launch. Another thing that he's gonna launch by March is the Byron reboot. Now, this would be a major upgrade when it comes to Daedalus improvements. And it's gonna have a set of new rules, it's gonna have new code, it's gonna have a faster memory and syncing and recovery time. It's gonna be, so there are improvements coming up. And that gives me a margin of safety, okay? If the company or if Charles Hoskinson is not doing anything or anything like that, is not launching M&A, is not getting the people updated on its developments, then I worry about it. And my margin of safety is very low. So that means it'd be more risk to invest in Cardano. But as far as right now, I know it's not. It's very safe. To me, it is. Do your own research. This is my own personal opinion. And there's gonna be 2 type of testnets coming up soon for the Shelly Haskell, right? It's first gonna be the stake pool migration, and he talks about it in his M&A. That's one of the Haskell testnet that they have to do, and the other one would be the balance check. So we're making progress. They're launching. They're working behind the scenes. They're keeping the community updated. What more do we want? We have the rewards. We're buying all-time lows. We have reward. We can participate on the proof of stake and earn free ADA just by holding our ADA onto Daedalus and delegating to a pool. That's the reward. The margin of safety, the price to the book value, is all the updates that are coming up and all the updates that are giving us. Charles Hoskinson is constantly tweeting all the time, always sending tweets all the time, maybe about his personal life, but also about the development on the Cardano. And that gives us a margin of safety. Okay, it makes me feel safe that they're working. It makes me feel that they're updating the community. And those things are very important to consider when investing in Cardano. So I consider myself a value investor in Cardano because of all those things and many more that I don't even mention in this video. Leave a comment in the description below if you think Cardano is a worth cryptocurrency to buy right now. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate you guys. So make sure you give these guys a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I want you guys to share this video and take care, guys. Peace out.